How to turn on light mode on Instagram. Instagram follows your phone's system settings, so if your device is in dark mode, Instagram will also be in dark mode. To switch to light mode, you need to change your phone's display settings. First, open the Settings app on your phone. If you are using an iPhone, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, you will see two options, Light and Dark. Select Light, and this will immediately switch your phone's theme to light mode. Since Instagram follows your system settings, when you open the Instagram app, it will now be in light mode. If you want Instagram to always stay in light mode while your phone is in dark mode, Instagram does not have a built-in setting for this. The app will always match your phone's theme. However, some Android devices allow you to set dark mode for specific apps. You can check if your phone has this option by searching for app-specific dark mode in your settings. That's how to turn on light mode on Instagram.